Automated testing is automating the manual testing process currently in use. This requires that a formalized manual testing process currently exists in the company or organization. Automation is the use of strategies, tools, and artifacts that reduce the need of manual or human involvement or interaction in unskilled, repetitive, or redundant tasks. Minimally, such a process includes detailed test cases, including predictable expected results, which have been developed from business functional specifications and design documentation. A standalone test environment, including a test database that is restorable to a known constant, such that the test cases are able to be repeated each time there are modifications made to the application. Automated testing types: functional testing, regression testing, stress testing, performance testing, and load testing. Functional testing, that operations perform as expected. Regression testing, that the behavior of the system has not changed. Stress testing, determining the absolute capacities of the application and operational infrastructure. Performance testing, providing assurance that the performance of the system will be adequate for both batch runs and online transactions in relation to business projections and requirements. Load testing, determining the points at which the capacity and performance of the system become degraded to the situation that hardware or software upgrades would be required. Benefits of automated testing: reliable. Tests perform precisely the same operations each time they are run, thereby eliminating human error. Repeatable. You can test how the software reacts under repeated execution of the same operations. Programmable. You can program sophisticated tests that bring out hidden information from the application. Comprehensive. You can build a suite of tests that covers every feature in your application. Reusable. You can reuse tests on different versions of an application even if the user interface changes. Better quality software, because you can run more tests in less time with fewer resources. Fast. Automated tools run tests significantly faster than human users. Cost reduction, as the number of resources for regression tests are reduced. Choosing the right tools for the job and targeting the right areas of the organization to deploy them can only realize these benefits. The right areas where the automation fit must be chosen. Which area must be automated first? First one is highly redundant tasks or scenarios. Second one, repetitive tasks that are boring or tend to cause human error. Third one, well developed and well understood use cases or scenarios first. Fourth one, relatively stable areas of the application over volatile ones must be automated. Guidelines to get benefits: concise, as simple as possible and no simpler. Self-checking, test reports its own results, needs no human interpretation. Repeatable, test can be run many times in a row without human intervention. Robust, test produces same results now and forever. Tests are not affected by changes in the external environment. Sufficient, tests verify all the requirements of the software being tested. Necessary, everything in each test contributes to the specification of desired behavior. Clear, every statement is easy to understand. Efficient, tests run in a reasonable amount of time. Specific, each test failure points to a specific piece of broken functionality. Unit test failures provide defect triangulation. Independent, each test can be run by itself or in a suite with an arbitrary set of other tests in any order. Maintainable, tests should be easy to understand and modify and extend. Traceable, To and from the code it tests, and to and from the requirements. So the automation testing has many advantages.